we're going to give you a quick little introduction to what I'd like you to do here on Wednesday. This is basically an accumulation of the seining that we've done over the past few days, and I want you to sort the items. I don't need you to identify, I just need you to sort. We're going to give you each split into Site 3, Site 2, and Site 1. At each location, there is a tweezers, a strainer, and 2 water-holding devices. At Site 3, you will utilize the material that we gathered at the seining we did on Tuesday. With that material, you will place the strainer somehow over top of one of the water-catching devices, and then you will take the water from the site that you were assigned and dump it in there. Once dumped in there, you will utilize the tweezers to go and find the macroinvertebrate. Once you have one of the macroinvertebrates, you place it into either the test tube. If it fits inside the test tube, take it and place it in there. Put a little bit of water so that the individual doesn't dry out. It is going to die, however, we are going to not have it dry out. Once that's done, you place it over here, come back to the strainer, find another organism, place it into here. If they are the exact same organism, you can put it into the same test tube. However, if you think it is a little bit different, utilize a separate test tube. Once you have gone through all of the individuals, you will then put everything back together, put it up, and have them all lined up here again, and make sure you got a tweezers, a strainer, and all of your buckets back. The food science room has been dirty the last few days, and I don't want that to happen, so what we're going to make you get your water source from is just going to be this sink. It is going to take a little bit longer for you to get water, however, you should be able to get enough water to do any of your needs. Further, there are a few fishies, a few froggies, and those crawfish. With those fishies, crawfish, and froggies, please put them all back into one of the larger containers that you got from over there. Do not place them into the test tube, petri dishes, or smaller test tubes. Just place them into a bigger one, and we can get rid of those other time. Make sure you put a little bit of water in for them. Okay, reviewing. Today, each one of you guys will be given a tweezers, some sort of seining device, and some water catching devices. Pour water through that has all the little macroinvertebrates into here. Then take your tweezers, take the tweezers out. Depending on the size of the organism, either put them in a petri dish, a small test tube, or a medium-sized test tube. Once done, place everything back onto the cart, and the fishies, crawfish, and froggies can just go into one of the bigger devices. Good luck to you, and replay this video if you need to.